Hi viewers, my name is Neelam and you're watching Neelam's Lifestyle, and I'm taking you home sense with me, and I'm shopping for the spring. So a little bit refresh home. So looking for bath accessories and the garden one you love. I love to garden decor if you're regular to my channel, and one of the best places home sense for me. So this is the first one I check, and then the home sense, then Walmart, then Superstore. They have a really tons of good hair accessories, and this basket actually caught my eye. And the outdoor furniture for your yard, they always have a really nice selection. The price is really good. The plate set is was I think $24.99, and then the glasses tumblers $14.99 and $19.99. So I always love their spring collection. The colors are really nice, happy. So keep watching. So far, if you like the video, give me thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and hit the like button. I really like these stool, $99. I think it's plastic, and these cushion, I really like it. It's I think $39.99, and 20 by 20. They always have a lovely faux greenery. I was looking for the kettle and I did find one, $24.99. So art, they always have a really nice selection in art section. They have a really nice prices. If you go by the price point, from $39.99 to $59, and the faux greenery, this is the olive tree. It's pretty, I think 6 or 7 feet high, $249. So I always check in the clearance section. The furniture is actually really trendy. So if you're looking for to add up new furniture in your any corner, you can check here the baseboards and the faux greenery. I really love their faux greenery because the size is good, and I check so many places, but I think they have the nice price. And outdoor furniture, really nice quality. So I'm gonna show you my detailed tour what I got from HomeSense for my garden. Easter is around the corner, so they have a tons of selection in the Easter section. And bye bye.